You know, orange mango flavor. Hey, I have a question. For personal use, like, which one would you recommend?
Sorry. Guess I'm authorized to film in here.
Oh no, it's not filming. He's just my paparazzi. This is like a thermal camera. Like it scans the body heat. Do these have like flavors or no?
If they say they do.
Which one would you like recommend for personal
I wouldn't
use?
recommend any of them.
Any? So raw? Like, how?
I can't recommend you.
Oh, you
anything.
can't. Oh, okay. I was confused. So do these like rip or no?
I have no idea. You're just gonna have to find that out for yourself.
I have a question about the lube though.
I couldn't tell you.
Can you tell us?
Guys, if this thing is not turned off in a second,
Yeah. It's just
you're taking pictures or video of people.
Yeah, he's just my bodyguard.
You what?
He's just my bodyguard. Can I put this right here?
Yeah.
But oh yeah, can I ask you a question about the lube or no? Okay, we'll go.
Put that thing down.
A male Karen, goddamn. Guys, look, we're about to go film the condom video, and there's a Trojan helmet on that person's car. Like, what is the universe trying to tell me? I don't know. But yeah, back to the video. Is this lube? This is lube. Okay. Hey, excuse me. No, I have a question about this item right here.
Okay.
So, last time, like, me and my girl, we bought the strawberry flavor item from, like, you know, Spencer's and Hot Topics in the mall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why you guys are recording this?
Oh, no, he's my bodyguard. Yeah, he just had to film everything. But yeah, so me and my girl bought one, right? And we both drank it, and like we waited an hour or two, and it did not.
You drank Astroglide?
Oh, it was lube, but like we drank it.
Yeah, but you drank lube?
Yeah, and we waited an hour or two, and it did not kick in, and she just got turned off. And, but like, how is it supposed to be used?
Is this serious? Or you thought you were supposed to drink it? Yeah, no, you apply this to your genitals.
How? Like, do I just
apply it to your
pour it on there?
Yes.
But like, do I put it on there, then put the condom on, or what?
Yes, you could do it. You can put the condom on first, then you put that on.
How would that like? Will it rip or no?
No, it shouldn't work. That's why they try to do a water-based one.
Yeah, but like after we drank it, like you know,
drink it.
Don't drink
do that.
it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Though. Which one should we choose? Fuck it, let's pick all of them. Are these condoms right here? Okay, let's go. Hey, I have a question about these. These right here.
Are you recording?
No, I'm recording. He's just my paparazzi.
Okay. What flavor?
Are these like flavors or no?
Does it say a flavor on there?
I don't know.
Then they're not, if there's no flavor on there.
Okay, from like personal use, which one would you recommend?
Not recommending anything.
Do they rip?